Dear viewers, greetings. In this video, we are going to discuss the differences between one-dimensional electrophoresis, two-dimensional electrophoresis, and SDS-PAGE. First, separate dimensions. In 1D electrophoresis, it works in one dimension, typically SDS-PAGE. In 2D electrophoresis, it works in two dimensions, that is isoelectric focusing and SDS-PAGE. The SDS-PAGE works in one dimension and the SDS-PAGE separates the molecules based on the molecular weight. Next, the resolution. The resolution of the 1D electrophoresis is moderate and it is a single characteristic separation based on size. And the resolution of two-dimensional electrophoresis is high and it exhibits dual characteristics like isoelectric pH and size-based separations. In SDS-PAGE, the resolution is moderate and separates the proteins only by size. Protein identification. In one-dimensional electrophoresis, bands represent the proteins. In two-dimensional electrophoresis, spots represent proteins. In SDS-PAGE, protein appears as bands. Regarding the complexity of procedure, 1D electrophoresis is a simpler procedure. 2D electrophoresis is a more complex procedure because it involves two sequential steps. The SDS-PAGE is simpler and it requires fewer steps and equipments. Analysis depth. One-dimension electrophoresis is having limited depth and suitable for simple protein mixes. Two-dimension electrophoresis is having a greater depth and it is suitable for complex protein mixes. SDS-PAGE is having a moderate depth and it is suitable for protein size analysis. Times and resources. 1D electrophoresis requires less time and fewer resources. The 2D electrophoresis is more time consuming and more resource required. SDS-PAGE is shorter due to the single step separation process. Sensitivity to modifications. One-dimension electrophoresis is less sensitive to post-translational modifications. Two-dimensional electrophoresis is more sensitive to post-translational modifications and SDS-PAGE is less sensitive to post-translational modifications. Finally, applications. One-dimensional electrophoresis is useful for basic protein analysis, quality control, size estimation, straightforward routine analysis such as determining protein size or checking protein purity. Two-dimensional electrophoresis is useful for detailed proteomic studies, differential expression analysis, comprehensive studies involving complex mixes, protein profiling, and identifying post-translational modifications. SDS-PAGE is very useful for basic protein separation, purity analysis, size determination, routine protein size analysis, checking protein purity, and simpler separation tasks. Dear viewers, that's all about the difference between one-dimensional electrophoresis, two-dimensional electrophoresis, and SDS-PAGE. Thank you for your support. Thank you.